Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto sausage balls. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Let's get started with these sausage balls. They make a really great appetizer, or you can just eat them as a meal. That's what I'm going to do. This is going to be my lunch. So we're starting with 1 pound of ground pork sausage, and we're going to add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. You can use sharp or mild cheddar, it does not matter. And we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of almond flour. We're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That is it for the ingredients. And now I've got to squish all this with my hands. I will spare you the noise and the gooey stuff. Okay, we got that all mixed up. I've got my scooper here. I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop all of this out on the sheet tray, and then I'm gonna roll them into the balls. So, just enough into the scoop. Okay, we got these all portioned out, and now I'm gonna roll them into balls. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hands just to make it easier for the for the sausage mixture not to stick to my hands. So I made these a little bigger than what the recipe calls for. These are about 2 tablespoons, and because I'm using them as a meal, but if you wanted to make these appetizers, I would do 1 tablespoon. So it just tells you that this recipe is very flexible. Okay, these are ready for the oven. We're gonna bake them in a 350-degree oven, about 20 minutes. Since these are bigger, I'm going to, it doesn't matter. You always wanna make sure you check them with the meat thermometer. You want them to be 145 internal temperature before they are ready. Okay, here are our sausage balls out of the oven, and they look amazing. Well, I put them on a pretty platter. This wasn't out of the oven. So I put them on a pretty platter. These are perfect appetizer. Look at how delicious they look. The baking powder makes them puff up like the cheese puff up, and it just gets all crispy on the outside. It's so good. Okay, let's try a bite. Those are so good. You definitely want to make these, if not a meal, if not appetizers, then definitely for a meal. It doesn't have to be during the holidays. You can make them anytime. They're so delicious. Be sure you check out this recipe here. It's my $1 million cream cheese dip. It's so amazing. Just go watch that. Just go watch that. It's so good. Make sure you check out those 2 recipes. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.